If you're interested to know the top 3 myths about hair loss, stay tuned. Hi, it's Dr. Parsa Mohebi, the celebrity hair transplant surgeon. I'm going to tell you the top 3 myths about hair loss and what I'm hearing in my offices. All right, where is my note? There we go. Okay, number 3, vitamins and hair loss. A lot of people come to my office with bottles, big and small, of different type of vitamins. At times, those vitamins are so much that they can have toxicity. So if you add up a whole bunch of multivitamins, for example, vitamin A more than a certain level could give you toxicity. And when you have a bunch of them from different sources, you definitely get to that level. And some of the signs of those toxicities are hair loss. So don't use them if you're not diagnosed that you have a deficiency of those vitamins. Number 2, myths about hair loss is using gel and other hair styling products. A lot of people come to us, and mostly younger men and their mother or their fathers are telling us, he's using a lot of gel. Doctor, tell him that's why he's losing his hair. The answer is no. Your gel is not causing your hair loss. If you're experiencing male pattern hair loss, you may be accelerating your hair loss occasionally if you manipulate your hair too much, but you can never change the course of your hair loss just by using hair styling products. And finally, number 1, a lot of people come to me and say, Doctor, I'm losing my hair since the time that I got married. Boom, look at this. And wife is sometimes there too, which is not a good scene. I don't want to get in at the middle of that conversation. Sometimes they say, I migrated to this country or that country, and from that year I started losing hair because I had so much stress. The answer is stress cannot cause hair loss. Stress can accelerate your hair loss. If your family pattern is that you have to lose your hair at age 30 and now you experience it at age 27, you have a lot of stress, yes, that could be explained. Whatever is supposed to happen, you can experience it earlier, but you cannot have hair loss in a pattern form if you don't have the gene for it. I hope you'll learn about these myths about hair loss, and if you're worried about those, forget about them and seek medical advice and get to the truth of what's behind hair loss and how you can treat it.